Hi all. So let me start with the fundamentals of computer hardware, computer software, everything. This course I'm handling for triple E first year triple E students. And the subject name is programming for problem solving. Let me start with the fundamentals of computer. You know what is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine which takes input and from the user and process the input, and it will produce the output. So it is in the form of useful information. The input can be it can be a data or a program or any reply from the user. So this is the normal step for a computer: accept data, manipulate data, and produce the information. And laterally we can use it for storage purpose. And what are all the parts of the computer? Keyboard is there, scanner, monitor, CPU is there, mouse, web camera, printer, everything is there. Data and information. There is a vast difference between what is the data and information. Data is nothing but it is a collection of raw facts. The data can be in any form, like can be a clumsy one, which are all the thing that are relevant to your information. We can take it from the data. And the computer will manipulate the data, and it can be produce the output in the form of information, and it could be in a specific format, and later we can use it for the printed purpose. The next one is what are the functionalities of computer. We have four function: input function, processing, and output function, and at last we have storage function. Primary components or input devices, we know a central processing unit is there where it perform arithmetic and logical unit. Memory is there for storage. Output devices and storage devices are there. Characteristics of computer. It actually have many characteristics. The first thing is, as compared with the human, it could be the characteristics. The first characteristics is it is high speed. Within it can process in the instruction in per second. In a millisecond, it can process. And accuracy. Accuracy means it won't have any. If you compare with, if you take human, there is a possibility of happening errors, but it's not happen with the help of the computer. And storage capability is more as compared to human. And diligence, human cannot work for several hours, but the computer can work. It won't get tired. And versatile, it can perform different types of tasks. So these are all the generations of computer. In early period, first generation came to prominent in 1946 to 1954. They named it as vacuum tubes. Second generation computer came in 1955 to 64, or transistors, and 64 to 77 integrated circuits. Since 1975, large scale integration. In 1980, it's artificial intelligence. And we will be seeing the classification of computers: microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe, and supercomputer are there. Analog computer and digital computer, hybrid is there. And we have general purpose as well as special purpose computers are available. So far we saw about the introduction about the fundamentals of computer. First we saw what is a computer, what process it has. It has the input as the one process. Second, it will convert that input into a specific form, and it will manipulate the data, and it will process it in a way called as information. A specific form will be there. And we saw about the parts of the computer, where we have keyboard, scanner, monitor, CPU, printer, everything is there. And we saw the difference between data and information. And we saw about the fundamentals of computer, Primary components we saw: input device, CPU, memory, output device, and storage device. And what are the characteristics of computer we saw, and what are the generation of computer. And at last we saw about the types of classifications of computer.